Hi, this is Peggy St. Peters with Parks Realty, and I am here at 962 Innsbrook. It is in the Millstone neighborhood in Gallatin. The neighborhood you can see out front here, there's a lot of green space. It's very cute. These townhomes are adorable. The neighborhood has a swimming pool, a fitness center, a clubhouse, and a park. So lots of things for your kids to do. It has an open floor plan. You can see the colors are current. It is very clean. We have engineered hardwood on the floors, and all the floors are tile engineered hardwood. There is no carpet in this house. So I just want to give you a little peek. Not going to do the whole house, but look how updated and pretty this kitchen is. There's a half bath on this floor. Upstairs is 3 bedrooms. The primary bedroom is huge, and it has a huge closet. Who doesn't like that? Come and see it, 962 Innsbrook. I will be here Sunday. Yes, I know the Super Bowl is Sunday, but you have time, 2 to 4. Come on by.